Okay, so I've got the bread, our peanut butter, and our jelly. And then I'm going to show you using the FunBites food cutter. I'm going to show you how it works on a peanut butter and jelly. Now, let's use our FunBites food cutter. I'm going to take the little center reverse plunger out. Close this guy up. Eat something? Alright. Now, it doesn't cover the whole piece of bread, so to maximize, I try to put it towards the end, and then I can try to get some sort of shape out of the top piece. Excuse the cranky toddler, he's ready for lunch a little early. Now, I don't know if you can see, but I've pressed it down, and if you look in here at the little center of the paw print, you'll see it's kind of broken apart. But I'm just gonna give it a little rock. Place this back down, and it presses everything out. You have a little bit of bread up at the top here. Okay, and then I'll bring the food closer. You can see it's cracked, but if you turn it over, you have a nice actual paw print. And the dog bone, again, the other side cracked. But move everything over to another plate. Get your little shapes out of the way. Somebody's messing with the dishwasher. And now here, for this one, I would probably do it this way. Squish it on, give it a little rock. Nothing to it. This is what it looks like before you plunge it. Do a quick plunge. I've got another little dog bone. Oh, thank you for the lovely dishwasher music. And look at that, I can fit one more in there. Sorry for knocking the... Okay. Maximizing. Try not to waste that bread. Oh, excuse you. Okay, and you see it cracked. The other side is pretty good.